This is not how Fretboard Freedom looks like. You know, we've been told that all you need to play those amazing solos, just like the pros, is one simple diagonal pattern. But nah. But this is a crutch. It's keeping us from evolving and reaching our true potential. So by the end of this video, you're gonna have an easy step-by-step way to actually unlock the whole fretboard, create new licks, and actually achieve fretboard freedom. Let's go. I used to be stuck on a minor version of this. I noticed that if I play this 2-3 pattern, reverse, I could play the whole scale, just repeating this pattern, right? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I mean, it feels good. I even eventually find out how to make it work with the minor scale. I would start at the root, slide, do this pattern twice, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Another root, slide, 1, 2, 3. Root, slide. Right? And at that time it felt great because I could play some cool ascending lick. It felt like my playing evolved one notch without learning too much theory. And I hated theory. The cool thing about the 3-2 method or other similar patterns is they get your hand moving on the fretboard, right? So you're creating new licks, creating music. That's awesome. Especially if you've been stuck in that single shape, right, for a while. And now you can break out of this with cool ascending or descending licks. I mean, of course, it feels amazing. You can finally break out of this box. But it wasn't long before I started feeling stuck and limited in this tiny diagonal pattern, right? Like I was always playing the same lick. And I'd look at my heroes, right? Steve Vai, Marty Friedman, and dude, they were playing all over the goddamn fretboard with different cool vibes and flavors. And I thought, this isn't it. And I kind of knew that if I wanted to unlock the whole fretboard, I would need to actually learn the whole fretboard. The problem is I was lazy. I love playing, but I hate practicing. But I gave it a shot. You know, I thought if I can learn one pattern, I can learn 2. Well, if I learn 2, I can learn 5. And well, 5 is the whole neck, right? Now, if this seems like a lot and you're not confident in your abilities to learn 5 pentatonic position, I want you to go get your guitar right now. And I dare you to only learn the first string of the second pentatonic shape, which is this one. That's it. Learn one string, then you can put your guitar away for today. Do this 6 days in a row, and you have your second position, aka 20% of the fretboard. I know what you're saying. It's silly. Why would I learn just one string? Why would I put a whole week on one position? Where there's actually a lot of players out there who've been stuck on position 1 for decades. So actually putting 1 week on another position isn't that bad at all. It's actually a win. Of course, most people would not stop there because getting started is the hardest part. From there, it's like driving downhill. Well, congratulations on not giving up. Here's how to unlock the neck in 7 steps. If you don't know position 1, here it is. Notice these 3 roots. This is the easiest position to find on the neck because if you know your barred chord, you know your root on the 6th string, and you can find your first position easily. Step 2, learn position 2. Notice these 2 roots. Step 3, practice going from position 1 to position 2. Create new licks, right? Have fun, slide, right? Don't be afraid to try stuff. Sometimes slide from the first note, right? And sometimes you slide from the last note, right? This is gonna lead to other licks. Try everything. Next, you learn position 5. What? Why not position 3? Well, you already know 1, and 5 is next to 1. So you're expanding from 1 to 2, and from 1 to 5. And now you got this much neck. Plus you go from playing ascending licks to descending licks. Right? New flavors. Step 5, you practice going from 1 to 5. Right? Next we'll learn position 4, because position 4 is easy to find with the root on the 5th fret because of barred chord. A lot of people actually only play position 1 and position 4, which isn't bad in the beginning. You can cover a large amount of the neck in only 2 positions, but it's just a start. It's not the whole neck. Now you can practice going from position 1, 2 to 4, creating a bigger gap. Oh, what's that? Is it position 5 that we learned earlier? How does that work? Oh, in position 1. You get it, right? Now we learn position 3, which is closer to 4 than it is from 1. So when I'm looking for it on the neck, I'm thinking about my position 4 with my barred chord, and right next to it there's position 3. Just a quick tip to find it easy without going 1, 2, and 3. No, it's too late. And now you practice going from 4 to 3 and 3 to 4. I cheated. And congrats, just like that, you know the whole fretboard. Most players around me don't know that much. Be proud of yourself. Hey, how's that for a diagonal pattern? I call it the I know my fretboard so I don't need to rely on gimmick method. I'm working on the title. I challenge you to take your favorite position 1 pentatonic lick and move it all over the fretboard in different position and tell me that this isn't the coolest thing you've done on guitar in a while. Example, I'm playing this, right? Well, in position 2 that would be position 3, position 4. Do I need to play it only on the same strings? No, I don't. It's hard to play. It's doable. Right? Move it all around the fretboard. Now, what's next? Well, how about being able to place every note on the fretboard by learning only 3? Watch this video. And remember, practice less, play more. Cheers.